in this lecture we see the next article in the probability distribution, that is the expected value and the variance. It is a very simple article. Only remember the formula of the expected value and the variance and then calculate them. Okay. Here expected value, it is a mean, and you know mean, median and mode from the class 10. But there is a given data, that is we find from the frequency distribution the mean, but here we find the mean from the probability distribution. Mean, it is the expected value, and also find the variance. Variance is also known from the class 11, but again here from the class 11 we use the given raw data, but here we find the variance by using the probability distribution. Okay. Now in the probability distribution first find the expected value. To find the expected value, we know the first it is a probability distribution of a random variable, and here we find the expected value and the variance only the discrete random variable, not a continuous random variable. Here we write the formula for the mean and variance for the discrete random variable. Okay. Now here let here x be a random variable. It is a discrete random variable. Let x be a discrete random variable, takes values x1, x2, x3 up to xn with their probabilities. With their probabilities P1, P2, P3 up to Pn respectively. Okay. Then we find the expected value and the variance. Now here then the expected value, okay, it is also called the mean of random variable x. Okay, expected value or the mean. Okay, now the notation for the expected value here, it is a e of x, it is expected value, or we write it is a mu also. Okay, it is a notation for the mean or the expected value. Okay, here expected value and its definition, it is a summation of all xi pi, xi into pi, where I is equal to 1 to n. Here I is equal to 1 to n. Now here see carefully, there is a probability distribution, then random variable x takes values x1, x2, x3, like that it is a xn with their probabilities. Probability of x, it is a p1, p2, p3 up to pn. Okay, it is a probability distribution table. Now we find the mean, and the definition of the mean, it is a xi into pi. That means the sum of the product of random variable and their probabilities, sum of the random variable and their probability. Okay, x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 plus x4 into p4 plus x5 into p5 up to xn into pn. Here we can write this summation in the form of this. Here I is equal to, this I is equal to 1 to n. When we put I is equal to 1, then 2, then 3, here x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 plus x4 into p4 plus and so on up to xn into pn. Okay. Here we calculate like that. It is a random variable and it is their probability, the product of random variable and their probability. Now the mean is the sum of the product of random variable and their probabilities. It is a mean. Okay. Now then we find the variance. Okay. Variance of a random variable. Here, variance is denoted by, it is a V of x or sigma square. It is a sigma square, and the definition is, see carefully, it is a sum of all xi square into pi. Okay, see carefully this, where I is equal to 1 to n. Here for the mean there is a xi into pi, random variable into their probability, but here the square of the random variable into probability. Okay, here sum of xi square into pi minus, it is a mu square, that is a minus mean square. It is a formula for the variance. Okay, this formula can also write, it is a e of x, mu can replace by the e of x square also. Okay, and that means here the calculation is, see carefully this calculation, here we can write, it is a xi square into pi, that is x1 square into p1 plus x2 square into p2 plus x3 square into p3 plus and so on, plus xn square into pn and minus mean square, it is mean. This can also written as e of x square. It is a formula for the variance, and the formula for the variance we can also write here, phi of x, see carefully, phi of x is equal to sum of all xi square, it is sum of all xi square into pi, and it is xi into pi, it is a e of x square. Therefore we can write e of x square minus e of x whole square. Here we can write also formula for the variance, it is e of x square, it is e of x square, e of x, it is xi into pi, e of x square, it is a xi square into pi, and minus mean square, that is e of x whole square. Here it is a e of x square, and it is a e of x whole square. Here it is a expected value, mathematical expectation. Okay, here it is a e of x, it is summation of all xi pi. Here the problem for the mean and variance, here the given probability distribution like that, and then we calculate only this. Here it is a random variable, and we take product and sum. Okay, here product of random variable and their probability, product of random variable and their probability, and sum of all product of random variable and their probability is a mean, and this formula for the variance. Now last, it is a standard deviation. Okay, standard deviation, it is a positive square root of the variance. Okay, here last, it is a standard deviation. Standard deviation of the random variable, which is denoted by the sigma, and it is a positive square root of the variance. Okay. Here variance find out by using this formula, and then square root of this, it is a standard deviation of the random variable. It is a mean, variance, and it is a standard deviation. Okay, mean, this formula for the mean, variance, this formula for the variance. Only remember these two formulas and get the calculation. Here the random variable are the given and their probabilities are the given. We only take the calculation, x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 for the mean, and for the variance, x1 square into p1 plus x2 square into p2 plus x3 square into p3 up to that, and minus mean square. It is a formula for the variance. Okay, only remember these two formulas for this article. It is a very simple article. Now we see some examples in this mean and variance, that is the expected value and the variance. example number 9 in the exercise 7.1. Example number 9 in the exercise 7.1. Find expected value and variance of x for the following PMM. For the following probability mass function. Here random variable x takes values -2, -1, 0, 1 in these two. Probability of x, it is a 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.15 and 0.25. Okay, it is a given probability distribution, and by using this probability distribution we find the expected value, that means mean and variance. Okay. Now we know that the formula for the mean, it is summation of the product of random variable and their probability. Okay, that means -2 into 0.2 plus -1 into 0.3, 0 into 0.1 plus 1 into 0.5 and plus 2 into 0.25. Okay, here, and sum of all this, it is a mean, and variance, it is a e of x square, that means xi square, that is -2 square into 0.2, -1 square into 0.3, minus 0 square into 0.1, like that, and minus mean square, sorry, yes, it is a mean square. Here it is a variance, summation of all xi square into pi minus mu square, that is a mean square, it is a variance. Okay, now we solve this, the solution. Okay, here it is a given. Okay, now from this given we write the tabular form of this. Here all x, here we write the tabular form x, then it is a probability of x. Okay, here it is a -2, -1, 0, 1, or it is a 2. Okay. Then 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.15, and it is a 0.25. Okay, here it is a given probability distribution. Here it is a row wise probability distribution table, we write in the column wise. Now we find it is all xi into pi. Here xi into pi, see carefully this. It is a tabular representation of the calculation. Here we write xi into pi. Okay, that means x1 into p1, that is multiplication of these two numbers. -2 into 0.02, that is minus 0.4, minus 0.3, then here it is a 0. Here 1 into this, it is a 0.15, and here it is a 0.50. Okay, 0.25 into 2. Okay, here it is xi into pi, that means x1 into p1, x2 into p2, x2 into p3, x3 into p3, x4 into p4, and x5 into p5. Now then we find the calculation xi square for the variance into pi. Okay, xi square, that means the random variable square, square of the -2. Okay, square of -2, it is 4 and 4 into probability. 4 into 2, it is a 0.8. Then minus 1 square, it is a 1. 1 into this, it is a 0.3. 0 square, it is a 0 into this, it is a 0. 1 square, it is a 1, therefore it is a 0.15. And then last, it is a 2 square, it is a 4. 4 into 25, it is a 100. That means it is a 1.00. Now we take the sum. Here we write the sum of all xi into pi. And here we write the sum of all xi square into pi. Okay. See carefully this sum. Okay. Here sum of this term, it is a minus 4, 0.4 and it is minus 0.3. It is a minus 0.7. Okay, see carefully. And here it is a 0.15 and it is a 0.50. It is a 0.65. It is a 0.65 and it is a minus 0.7. That means minus 0.70. That means it is minus 0.05. Minus 0.05. It is a calculation of this sum of the all terms. It is a minus 0.7. It is a plus 0.65. Okay, and then it is a minus 70 and minus 65. It is this. And now sum of this all term. Here it is a 8. That means 0, 0, 5, 5. Here it is a 5. Okay. Now 8 plus 3, 11. 12. It is 12. Point, carry 1 and it is 2. Okay. Here 2.25. It is a calculation of this. Okay, 2.25. Now we find the expected value. Therefore expected value of random variable x, we can write e of x. And e of x, it is a sum of all xi into pi, where I is equal to 1 to n. Now here it is n, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then it is minus 0.05. Minus 0.05, it is a expected value. Now variance. Variance of random variable x. It is a v of x. It is sum of all xi square into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 5 minus e of x whole square. Then it is a sum. We calculate this. It is a 2.25 minus e of x. It is a e of x minus 0.05 square. Okay. Here now we calculate this. 2.25 minus the square of this. It is a 5 square. It is a 25. But we write the decimal point from the 4. It is a 1, 2 and then 1, 3, 4. It is a 0 point. And now take the subtraction for the variance phi of x. Okay, we write 2 zeros here. It is a 5, 7, 4, 2.2. It is a variance of this. Okay. Here it is a given probability distribution. From the given probability distribution, we write in the tabular form. Okay. Here it is a tabular form, and then it is a expected value, and it is a variance of this. Okay. Here we write tabular form, or we write direct by formula and put all the values in this. Okay. Here see carefully this. We will solve example by other method, same calculation. Okay. Here, but we cannot be use the tabular form. We can directly write the formula and take the calculation. Okay. Here it is a, see carefully, remember this is the answer. Now here it is a given probability distribution table. Therefore the expected value of random variable x is, see carefully this, e of x or mu we can write, it is sum of all xi into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 5. Okay, sum of all xi into pi, therefore it is a x1 into p1 plus x2 into p2 plus x3 into p3 plus x4 into p4 plus x5 into p5. Okay, that is x1, it is a minus 2 into 0.2 plus minus 1 into 0.3 plus 0 into 0.1 plus 1 into 0.15 and plus 2 into 0.25. Then take the calculation. It is a minus 0.4 minus 0.3 plus 0 plus 0.15 and plus 0.50, and then it is minus 0.05. It is the expected value. Okay, this step is not necessary to write. We write the formula and directly this step. Okay, here now, and variance. Variance of random variable x is, here phi of x, it is sum of all xi square into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 5 minus e of x square. Okay, now write this, x1 square into p1 plus x2 square into p2 plus x3 square into p3 plus x4 square into p4 plus x5 square into p5 and minus 0.05 square, it is a e of x. Okay, this step is not necessary to write. We can write directly the values. Now, phi of x, it is minus 2 square into 0.2 plus minus 1 square into 0.3 plus 0 square into 0.1 plus 1 square into 0.15 plus 2 square into 0.25 minus 0.05 whole square, it is a mean square. Now take the calculation. Minus 2 square, it is a 4 into this, it is a 0.8 plus 1 square, it is a 0.3 plus 0 plus 0.15 plus 1.00 minus 0.0025, it is a calculation of this. Then take the addition. Here it is a 80, 30, here it is 15 and it is a 00. That means here it is a 5. Then 8 plus 3, 11, 12, it is a 12, carry 1 and it is a 2 minus 0.0025, and then it is, take the subtraction, 2 zeros, now here it is a 5, 7, 4, 2 and it is a 2. It is a variance. Okay. Here you can solve by first method or this method. Here in this method, here this is not necessary to write. Okay. You can directly write, it is xi into pi 1 to 5, x1 into p1, it is x1 into p1, x1 p1, x2 p2, x3 p3, x4 p4, and it is x5 and p5. We can directly write this step. And in the variance, there is also not necessary to write this step. Here we directly write xi square into pi, that means x1 square into p1, x2 square into p2, x3 square into p3, x4 square into p4, x5 square into p5, and it is a mean square. Okay, here any one method you can use. Okay, here it is a first method or this second method. Okay, see carefully both methods. Now we see the next example. Here the example number 10. Find expected value and variance of x. Here x is number obtained on uppermost face when a fair die is thrown. Now here a die is thrown, that means there are the 6 possibilities, and we want to find the expected value and the variance. But first find the probability distribution of a number obtained on an uppermost face on a die. Okay. Here in the last example there is already given the probability distribution table, but here first we write the probability distribution table and then we find the expected value and the variance of this random variable x. Okay. Now a die is thrown, a fair die is thrown. Then the possibility it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is number of yes is equal to 6. And here we want to find the probability distribution of x, and x is a number obtained on the uppermost face. Here number obtained on uppermost face when a die is thrown. Then in the uppermost face we see it is a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That means when we throw a die we get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That means the random variable takes the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Here let x be the number obtained on uppermost face when a fair die is thrown. Therefore, the random variable x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now first we want to find the probabilities of this random variable. Here probability of 1, x is equal to 1. 1, how many times 1, it is a 1 time. That means the probability, it is a 1 by 6. Here x is equal to 2. On the uppermost face we see a number 2. How many times? So it is 1 time out of 6 times. That means the probability of x is equal to 2, again it is a 1 by 6. Probability of 3, again it is a 1 by 6. Probability of 4, it is a 1 by 6. Probability of 5 appear only 1 time. That means probability of 5, it is a 1 by 6, and the probability of 6 is also 1 by 6. These are the probabilities. Probability of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 all are the same, and that is the 1 by 6. Okay. Therefore, we write here probability. Probability of x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, it is a probability, it is 1 by 6. Okay. Then probability of x is equal to 2. Again it is 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to 3. Again it is 1 by 6. Okay. Here we write here, it is a probability of x is equal to 4. It is a 1 by 6. Probability of x is equal to 5. It is 1 by 6. And probability of x is equal to 6. Again it is 1 by 6. Okay. That means all numbers are appear 1 times when a die is thrown. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. These are the probabilities. Therefore, first write the probability distribution table. Therefore, probability distribution table. Of random variable x is, here it is a random variable x, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is a 6. Then probability of x, it is 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6 and it is 1 by 6. Now we want to find the expected value and the variance. Okay. Here for the calculation of the expected value we can directly calculate, or we write the tabular form. Here we write the direct calculation. Now therefore the expected value, that is E of x, and E of x, it is a sum of, or I is equal to 1 to 6 xi into pi. That means x1 into p1, x2 into p2, x3 into p3, x4 into p4, x5 into p5. Okay. Therefore the expected value E of x is equal to 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6 plus 4 into 1 by 6 plus 5 into 1 by 6 and plus 6 into 1 by 6. Okay. It is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. Therefore, it is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 upon 6. And then the addition, it is a 10, 15, 21. 21 upon 6, that means 7 by 2. It is a mean. Expected value, it is a 7 by 2. Now, we find the variance. Variance of random variable x is, it is a phi of x, it is summation of all xi square into pi, where I is equal to 1 to 6 minus E of x square, that is the mean square. Okay, mean is a 7 by 2. Then x1 square into p1, x2 square into p2, x3 square into p3, x4 square into p4. Here it is x1. That means 1 square into 1 by 6 plus 2 square into 1 by 6 plus 3 square into 1 by 6 plus 4 square into 1 by 6 plus 5 square into 1 by 6 plus 6 square into 1 by 6 and minus this 7 by 2 square. See carefully this. E of x, it is a 7 by 2, it is a 7 by 2 square. In the expected value, only multiplication xi into pi. random variable into probability, but in the variance square of the random variable into probability. Here in xi it is a 1 into 1 by 6, 2 into 1 by 6. Now for the variance it is a 1 square into 1 by 6, 2 square into 1 by 6, 3 square into 1 by 6, 4 square into 1 by 6. Now we calculate this. See carefully the calculation. 1 square it is a 1 by 6, plus 2 square into 6 it is a 4 by 6, plus 9 by 6, plus 16 by 6, plus 25 by 6, plus 36 upon 6, and minus 49 by 4. This 49 by 4. Now take the addition. Here 36 plus 25, 36 plus 5 it is a 41, 61, 61 plus 16 it is a 77, 77 plus 9 it is a 86, 86, 90, 91. Here it is a 91 upon 6 minus 49 by 4. Now take the subtraction of this. Here it is a common factor, it is a 2. So here remaining it is a 2 and it is 3. Therefore 2 into 91 it is a 182 minus 3 into 49 it is a 147, and upon it is a common factor and the remaining factor, therefore it is a 12. Okay, now calculate this. It is 12 minus it is a 82 minus it is a 35 upon 12, and then 35 upon 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, 24, then remaining 11, that is 110. 110, that means 12 into 9, 108, that means 9, that carry 2, sorry, remaining 2, 2, 20, 20, that means again 1, again remaining 8, that is 80, okay, 6, okay, and then again 7. Okay, here see carefully, it is a variance phi of x. Okay, see carefully this, it is a variance and it is a mean. Okay, that is a find the expected value. It is expected value and it is a variance. Expected value and variance of the random variable x, where x is a number obtained on uppermost face when a fair die is thrown. See carefully, check all the calculation.